Hi, my name is Clinton. I started cycling sometime back in when it was like COVID period. A couple of my friends started cycling first, and then they said that, hey, Clinton, want to do something interesting? And I said, okay, let's try. So they had pretty nice bikes. I had a very simple bike, and so I just started it. But it was nice, but I needed something better. So I decided to look around, and I'm happy to meet the guys at Bike Atrium, and they gave me a pretty good deal and a good bike also as well. Why the bike? First thing, I wanted a foldie because some of my friends had, like the, other foldies that were quite expensive ones. I didn't really have that kind of easy cash on me, so I decided to get myself something in the middle. And in fact, when this wasn't my first one. My first one was actually a A7, and the A7 was a pretty good 16-inch. And finally, when the Bike Atrium said, hey, we're going to bring in the 20-inch one, so I said, I want to be the first few people to get a nice 20-inch. So I got this G20. It's been with me for, I think, nearly close to 2 years now, still riding very well. I mean, the team at Bike Atrium takes care of it so well for me. I still ride it almost every day. And it's one of my daily drivers for my bikes as well. Concerns before you buy a bike. I think most of the time people will be thinking like, am I used to a foldie? Will I get used to it? Can I afford to maintain it? Small little worries like this. So the first thing about whether or not you can afford it is very, very important to find a bike that's both affordable and yet sturdy. So I find that the Ethereal bikes are really very good because they are a mix of both. You get both good conditioning, you get very good servicing also as well. And that takes care of how to take care of the bike. Because sometimes, people just park their bikes after they finish, right? Just put it aside and you don't take care of it. But as time goes by, things like dust, dirt, or even like a grime that when you go on your bike rides, right? I think those things will pick up. But the good thing is the team over here at Bike Atrium, they really know how to take care of your bikes. And so you bring it in, right? They do a good job of making it almost coming back to its brand new. Oh, memorable moment. I think it's, every time when you take out a bike that's not the run-of-the-mill, a lot of people will take out their, that B brand bikes, or maybe the C bikes, right? But when you take out something like this, you say, hey, what is this? It's so interesting. I think it's always very nice to say that I've got something different from everybody else. One thing good is, even if something that's different, it's still as good as the people who bought those other bikes also as well. So I think it felt good buying something, at the same time feeling that it's an equitable piece to what your friends are getting, and also the equitable ride when you go out with them also as well. So you're not behind them, but you're with them. And I think that's very memorable for me. I love the people at the Bike Atrium. They're so friendly, and that's not even half of it. Most importantly is the fact that they're going to take care of your bikes. I'll definitely recommend it. Recommend the whole team here at Bike Atrium to them, because one thing is you get a good deal, and you get lifetime servicing for your bikes. I mean, which other company gives that, right? So I brought in my bikes nearly close to 6-7 times, and they've not asked me for a single cent. And that's amazing, right? When you get something like that, it's like as if you drive a new car and you keep bringing it to your workshop, then they don't ask you to pay anything for servicing. That's exactly how you feel like when you buy a bike for Bike Atrium. So definitely I would recommend any of my friends, families to choose a bike for Bike Atrium. Experience with Bike Atrium has been amazing, very, very cost effective, and also at the same time absolutely pleasant because the team here are so nice. So I always enjoy coming here to meet them too.